Hi, friends! Today, we're talking about something super important. Brushing your teeth. Do you brush your teeth every morning and night? If you do, high five! But if not, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to brush the right way, so your teeth stay clean, shiny, and super strong. Let's meet my friend Maya. She needs our help. This is Maya. She's cool and fun, but sometimes she forgets to brush her teeth at night. Can you guess what happens when we forget to brush? Germs and cavities throw a yucky party in our mouths. Ew! But don't worry, we're going to help Maya and you learn the right way to brush. Maya's brushing challenge. Let's learn how to brush the right way. Alright friends, follow along with me. Step 1. Get your toothbrush and toothpaste. Grab your toothbrush and toothpaste. You only have to use a little, like a pea-sized dot. That's all you need. Step 2. Brush in circles. Now brush in small, gentle circles. Not up and down. Not side to side. Say it with me. Circle, circle, circle. Circle, circle, circle. Step 3. Don't forget the back. Open wide. Germs love hiding back here. So, give those back teeth a good clean too. Step 4. Brush your tongue. stick out your tongue and brush it gently, just like Maya. It holds germs too. Say blah with me. Blah. Step 5. Spit and rinse. Now, spit out the toothpaste. Rinse your mouth. And don't forget to rinse your brush too. That's how we brush our teeth the right way. Good job! You're a brushing superstar! Okay, can you brush your teeth like Maya? Grab your brush and let's practice with a song. It's time to make brushing super fun. Let's sing and brush together.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth round and round and round. Front and back and all around. Keep them strong and sound. Brush, brush, brush your teeth round and round and round. Front and back and all around. Keep them strong and sound. Brush, brush, brush your teeth round and round and round. Front and back and all around. Keep them strong and sound.
Great job, superstars! That was so much fun! Now, let's talk about why brushing is so important. When we don't brush, sticky stuff called plaque builds up, and that can cause cavities, pain, and even tooth loss. Yikes! And that's why Maya had a toothache when she didn't brush properly. And yes, that's why we brush 2 times every day. Brush in the morning and brush before bedtime. And don't forget to visit the dentist every 6 months. They help keep our teeth extra healthy. Alright kids, now it's your turn for a challenge. Brush your teeth 2 times a day and brush for 2 minutes. Then share a picture of your biggest smile. Okay friends, let's remember what we learned today. Use a pea-sized amount of toothpaste. Brush in gentle circles. Don't forget the back teeth and your tongue. Brush for 2 minutes, twice a day. Visit your dentist. You are now officially a brushing superstar. Good job! Subscribe to keep learning with me. See you next time. Bye-bye.